Learn flower art grammar in just 30 minutes. Today's lesson has moderate difficulty. Start with floating cover. I've taught this before. Hold the chicken cover. This position is tight. Use momentum to complete. Sudden burst of power. Loosen up like this. Be careful not to drop. After opening, bring the medium over. Medium holds the chicken's corner. Flip the chicken over. Jump down gently and flip back up. Master says be quicker. Come up and hold tight. Medium ignites, then turns back. See the finished effect. See the result. See it now. Paper and open. Place the paper behind. Point upwards. Hook the machine up. Paper and seed combine. Flip the machine over. Use stone paper to finish. Now add a light cover. Or finish like this. Send it out. Paper and seed hold tight. 10 papers hold the cover. Push inwards. Paper and seed hold. Flip up. Replace seed with paper. Peel the seed. Final result with light cover. Right hand basics for newbies. Today, a simple combo. Start with a basic flip. Hold it like this. Flick down with your thumb. Thumb and index finger spin. Thumb catches the fold. Index finger below. Form this shape, then thumb flip. Next, a light flip combo. Thumb lifts the body. Index finger below. Thumb hooks up. Hook and lift with your thumb. End with a smooth finish. Let's try this method. Today I'll show you a simple way. Like this, hold it tight. Put it on the wheel now. Stop at the chain. Push up from behind. Put your stone here. Hold the wood in place. Press down to complete. Use the wood to flip it. For the cover, hold it. Hook it once. It will fall into place. The board will stop it. Hook it back. Complete the cover. Let's see the result. Learn the real playing method. Today I'll teach a fancy trick. Many videos show this fancy ending. People ask, what's this trick? Now I'll teach you how to do it. This can be a solo fancy trick. First, let's play with the lid. Thumb pushes the lid open. Stop and bounce the lid. This trick needs feeling and timing. Thumb pushes the lid open. Then bounce it back. Let it fall, then bounce back to the starting position, and out with the lid, then flip it back. Thumb lightly touches the corner, and the lid falls down, teaching a new board flip trick. Then flip it down, board flip trick. Beginners can practice with detailed teaching. Go check it out. To complete the board flip. Many fans ask about the lid trick. I'll explain it in detail. After After the lid, kick it to 10 fingers. Then bounce it twice. To this position, bounce again. Complete the lid trick. See the effect after practice. Today's trick is harder. We've had simple tutorials before. Check them out. Start with the tree spin. Hold the lighter and the stone. Place it on the fire wheel. Big and small modules work together. Complete the electric pot. Don't practice with fire. Send the machine out. Clamp the machine cap. Use half a turn. Flip it back. After flipping, pull the middle in. Press the big module in. Pull it in. Then the anonymous. Clamp the machine cap. Flick it out gently. Hook it up. Grab the cap quickly. Demonstrate again. After flicking, catch the stone quickly. Catch it and flip. Loosen your fingers. Let it flip naturally. After flipping, flip it up. The big module catches it, like this. Close the cap. Comfortably. Let's see the effect. After mastering, the result is amazing. No problem at all. Learn with heart. Let's draw. Today we'll ignite a small studio. This studio has some difficulty. Control and practice. First, I'll open the lighter. Then I'll fix the machine cover. Now I'll push it out from behind. Push the machine outward. When it's out, it's your turn. Flip it over, showing the base. Now apply the top base. It will control and move down. Then take out the middle part. From the white water area. Hook inward, hook the ground. As you hook, the machine falls. The big wood stays in position. Don't move it. Now I'll assist with the machine top. Using the big wood is good. Flip it over upward. Now the big wood and machine body. Then don't flip it over. Attach the four legs to the big wood. Take out the machine body. The middle part is out. Ignite. Turn it over. Complete the ignition. The light cover assists, showing the final effect.